FeastCon Day 1! Excited ka na ba? Sa
Yes.
unang-una mong FeastCon?
Yes!
We're gonna underground ourselves.
Upside down. May ano din kami po.
Mondragon.
Yes. May basuka.
Ayun no, may basuka pa mga kapuso. Thank you, Lord! Experience ba?
Please worship our pride.
As God says, carry your cross.
To take home a piece of the conference with you. Hurry home at 4:30
Marami
p.m.
ba akong friends? Oh yeah! Anong palagay mo dun sa ano? Na narito?
Meron pa ng ibang restriction kay God. Ngayon, meron ng dagdag paalam.
So cold. Coldy.
All
Alright.
Merch.
Yeah, may merch and then may food dun. Gusto mo ba lumabas o gusto mong dito kumain?
I think labas because I think this place is crowded.
Pumatay. Credit card DB station. Bibigyan ka ng credit card? Dun sa gitnang gate. Gate na.
Give you
Ano? Bose
full of
Sanchez.
speakers.
Oo. Talk to eh. Kaya marami speaker.
You look familiar.
Ay, you look familiar.
Bakit yung curly spaghetti nandyan? Walang sauce?
Chinese.
Bye-bye.
Hey, bye. Ano masasabi mo?
It's funny. If you know,
If you know, you know.
Pero yung feedback din kanina medyo
Oh, in a way, okay eh.
para kasing ang expectation.
Kahit saan ka magpunta, confident ka.
Yeah.
Oh, yung pala, the stage means
Levels, generation.
stage ng buhay. Para sa akin hindi ganon ka-connect yung hindi ganon ka-connect yung talk niya sa title.
Yes. Parang at least ang nakuha mo is fun.
May natutunan ka rin naman na it's all about context, ganon.
And mag-adapt sa bagong generation ngayon. Dito?
Peace, confidence. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
You happy?
And that's what I love.
I mean, okay
It's
naman yung
about
second
a
to.
connection
Hindi lang
that
namin
fits your
yung
family.
expectations.
And how
May
parents
matutunan ka pa rin
and
naman.
AI
Magigets.
can work together to raise
Pero hindi lang yung, siyempre, hindi yun yung inaasahan ko kasi nga.
point checklists.
Ang layo sa
Come to my
title.
class and
Class 1 yung pinakamabunga para sa akin.